am Kirly Sue, and if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, welcome to Kirly Sue's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making for you a vegan beef Wellington. So most people have heard of a beef Wellington. It's some kind of beef wrapped in pastry, but as it's kind of around about the Christmas time when I'm releasing this video, when it's been uploaded to YouTube, many people have been asking for different dishes that they can have as a celebratory thing for this time of year. So this is perfect for that. So if you're looking for something for your vegan Christmas dinner, this is the right video. This is really easy to make, it's tasty, it has ingredients you probably have in your kitchen already. It's really good. And with regards to the pastry, I just bought the one that they have in the supermarket. I thought I'm not going to make puff pastry now. They make brilliant ones, and most pre-made pastry in the supermarkets, at least in the UK, are usually vegan anyway, so it's not a problem if you get it from the supermarket. It's much easier. So now let's get on with making a vegan beef Wellington for your vegan Christmas dinner. So the ingredients you're going to need for this are 1 onion, 1 carrot, 3 cloves of garlic, a thumb-sized piece of ginger peeled and chopped, around about 200 grams of cooked chickpeas, so you drain it if you've got them in the tin, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 8 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, about 30 milliliters of vegetable stock, 3 tablespoons of coconut aminos, or you can use soy sauce instead, half a cup of walnuts, a sprig of rosemary, a sprig of thyme, 2 spring onions or scallions, and a tablespoon of mixed herbs. So what you're going to do first of all is saute the garlic, ginger, carrots and onion in a frying pan. Just lightly cook those. Then you're going to put all of the ingredients into a food processor and blend the whole lot until it's completely smooth, and just, you know, keep checking it to make sure it's completely smooth. Then you're going to shape the whole thing into kind of like a log shape, and then when you're going to sear that in the frying pan, just to kind of coat it on each side. So you just kind of sear it for about a minute on each side and turn it over, just to give it like a little bit of a crust, doesn't have to be a big time crust, a little bit of a crust on each side. And then all you do is roll out the pastry, place the mixture in the middle, fold the pastry over, make sure you cover the mixture over completely, brush it with some plant-based milk. It can be almond milk, soy milk, any milk that you have, and then score it at the top, and you can sprinkle some Nigella seeds on the top if you have it. If you don't, you can also use sesame seeds if you want to as well. And then you pop it into a oven which is 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Once it's come out of the oven, you just slice it and allow it to cool, and there you have your vegan beef Wellington, which it tastes delicious. Actually, I have some I'm going to try now. Which is right here. So here is just a sample piece of the vegan beef Wellington. So I'll just show you a little close up there of what it looks like inside. Taste it. It tastes good. It tastes very nice. If you make this, comment below and let me know. Definitely, the pastry is crispy and soft at the same time, and the flavors inside are so nice. You can serve this with some vegetables and some gravy. Very nice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe. What are you having for your Christmas dinner? Comment in the comment section below. If you make this dish, take a pic, tag me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram. And that's it. That was it. It's quite easy to make. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.